The demand for mobile data capacity is increasing, especially in metropolitan areas. We also want to be well connected in large crowds. The rapid spread of smartphones is pushing conventional radio cells to their limits. Ceilings and walls make reception more difficult. The simultaneous access of many people to the mobile network leads to data congestion. Short-range radio cells, called small cells, solve these problems. Based on its know-how in mobile communications technology, HUBER+SUHNER has developed a comprehensive portfolio for the integration of small cells. Thanks to the modular components, installation is simple, fast and cost-effective. With intelligent and innovative fiber optic and radio frequency solutions, we contribute to connecting people. And HUBER+SUHNER solutions support network operators in developing a future-oriented infrastructure.